How to get the new Instagram update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the new Instagram update. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is to visit the App Store right here or your Play Store if you have an Android, and just type in the search bar Instagram. Just click on Instagram right here. Now if it says update, make sure to click on that and that will update your Instagram application and hopefully give you all the latest features such as the filters, the close friends feature, the reply option, and many more. So just click on update from your App Store or your Play Store and hopefully you will have the latest features as well as the bug fixes that Instagram has done on their latest update. Once you have made sure of that and you still don't have the latest features, filters whatsoever within the Instagram application, what we're going to do is to open the Instagram app right here and make sure that you're currently at the profile page. So to do that, if you are from any other page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner right here. And once you are at the profile page, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner, click on settings, and click on this help option right here and click on report a problem. After that, click on report problem without shaking. So here you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working or what feature you don't have, or that you can also state you don't have the new Instagram update or a certain feature that you don't have yet. So just type in anything you want, like I don't have this filter, something like that. You can also attach screenshots, or you can also upload media files right here by clicking on that and just click on next and hopefully get a reply from Instagram to resolve your issue. And the next option, if that still does not work, is to just log out of your account. Click on this log out button and just re-log in again. So hopefully by doing that, you will have the latest features within the Instagram application. However, if that still does not work, your last resort is to clear the cache of your app by uploading it. So to do that, just go to your settings and click on general right here, click on iPhone storage, and you may want to search for Instagram right here. Just click on Instagram and click on upload app. So just click on upload app, click on upload app again. After you have uploaded it, you will have the option to reinstall. So just click on reinstall and hopefully after that, you will get the new Instagram update and features.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.